Back with another video. Today, we're gonna look at the worst microwave fail I've ever seen. Okay? Are you ready for this? Okay. That thing looks like disgusting. That thing disgusts nature. Okay, well, basically, that's all I'm doing today because I had nothing else to do and I was just eating some cookies. Nothing. So, that's my brother's worst microwave failure.
Next time, I will microwave a grenade. That won't end well.
Boy, he gonna microwave a grenade. But look at that thing. What is that? You tried to make some grilled cheese. You know that looks like somebody tried to microwave a snail inside of some bread. So guys, I guess I'll see you all next time. I'll end looking at my cookie for this. Goodbye.